Hey y'all, today's video is all about bargain shopping. So this past weekend, I ventured to Goodwill and Big Lots to see what all they had for my home. So if you're new, I want to let you know that here on my channel, we strive in making our home a place to relax and unwind as well as learn and have fun. If you like the sound of that, then click that subscribe button and join us while we create a paradise at home.
I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
At Big Lots, they were having a summer clearance of 25% off on furniture, on summer lighting, on cushions, pillows, things like that. And I took advantage of that because they were also having a weekend that was 20% off everything. So most of these items that I got were 45% off, and I will show you at the very end all that I got and the price breakdown of how much I saved on all of this stuff that I bought. It is gonna shock you.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
I was wanting to look at their organization merchandise because I wanted to, spruce up my girls' room and bathroom and get some organization in those areas. But as I was looking at these prices, even with the 20% off that I would have saved on a lot of the items, they still weren't really good compared to like Dollar Tree. And I don't know if you saw Catherine's video from DoItOnADime here on YouTube. She shows so many Dollar Tree items on her videos, and oh my goodness, the latest stuff that they have is so cute, so affordable, and it's only $1. So if you're looking for organization items, Dollar Tree is gonna be your best bet. Big Lots had so many cute little signs, hooks, I want to say like jars, containers. I mean, just they had such great stuff. I just didn't want to spend too much. Our budget is not very, large in the home decor envelope. So I just wanted to look and see what they had. But oh my goodness, they had so many cute things, and they have huge sales a lot of the year. So I'm gonna probably come back and grab a few things, but wow, they had so many cute wall art and things. This was my favorite aisle. They had beautiful candlesticks, jars, florals, lanterns, vases, containers. It was I just love the color combinations were just so eye-catching. I definitely want to come back, and maybe if they're having like an end of the season sale later on in the year, I might grab some stuff, but I don't have a whole lot of money to work with at the moment. But oh my goodness, such cute things.
Without you, you'll make me crazy in that good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about love.
So I've been trying to go to Goodwill and search for a candlestick or candlesticks. So anyway, while I'm there, I like to look at girls' clothing and see what they have. Well, I found some awesome items. This particular item is a two-piece set that is only $4.99, and it still had the tags on them. And it's a unicorn fleece set for my oldest daughter, and obviously it's summertime, but I know that this is going to be lived in because it does get very chilly here in Georgia in probably November, December, January, and February. So I know we're going to use that. And these two beautiful lace dresses also had the tags still on them. They both were $52 on the tag from Sears, and I got each of them for only $2.99. How awesome is that? Now, they are for 8-year-old little girls. My little girl is only 4, but she actually wore the pink one this past Sunday to church, and it was large, but it wasn't completely falling off of her. It just looked like a summer dress, but she loved it. She felt like a princess in it, and everybody was saying just how cute she was. So altogether, I spent only $10 for a 1-piece fleece outfit and 2 long sleeve lace dresses. You can't beat that. Now on to what I look for all the time when I go to Goodwill, and that is candlesticks. I did find one that I really loved. I'm not too fond of this color. I know sometimes, I don't know, I kind of like the color, but I don't know if I want to keep it this color. I might paint it white, I'm not too sure, but this was on sale from $2.99 to actually $1.50, so I actually got it half off. And also we like to, get some DVDs for our van, and we also have a Wii, so we actually looked for their DVDs. So we got some Berenstain Bears, Caillou, some Bible and Jesus movies and little shows, so I love that.
Hey, someday, I've been saving you.
And my husband was looking at these suits and found a really nice ash green color blazer, and I think it was $6.99, and he loved it. He wore it this past Sunday as well, so it was a really great quality and everything. So there you have it. That's what I got at Goodwill. One item that is not featured is a castle toy that we bought for my 3-year-old. So she was playing with it when I was filming this.
We can always make it through.
Next up is Big Lots, and you're gonna find that I bought a lot of outdoor lighting. So first, I want to say these 3 boxes were $9 each after all the sales, and I'm going to put these up in some trees right outside our garage. These rope lights were also on sale, and I think they were $12 each, and I'm going to put this in my patio, my screened-in porch. And I've been wanting to do this since we bought the home, so this is very exciting. They are plastic bulbs. Also, these lanterns, I used to have 3 similar to these, but they broke because of really harsh winters a few years ago. I bought 3 of these, and these came out to be $9 each. They are solar powered, and all I have to do is flip on a on and off switch whenever I choose. I also bought some things that I just needed, and that was a lighter, a soap refill, some seeds, just because they were having a 20% off, so I got these on a really good deal. I was also eyeing some new pillows for our living room because we are redecorating, and this one I fell in love with. It was originally $16 and I got it for $12. And oh my goodness, this box was $9.99 on sale, but then I got 20% off of that, and it came out to be only $7.99. Yes, I love that.
You say me too.
On our back patio, I used to have, live plants, but, since we have kids, we don't really do the live plants anymore. So I thought, this is the best time to buy a very beautiful greenery that's, fake but beautiful, and it lights up. This bunny topiary was only $18 with all the different sales going on. Thanks guys so much for watching this Big Lots and Goodwill haul. Don't forget that you can find really great items at bargain prices when you shop very smartly. I also wanted to say that a lot of these items I'm going to decorate my home with in the next week or two. I've already done one, and on Instagram I will show you what I have done and how it looks. So if you are interested in seeing all the lighting that I am doing in our home, in our patio, go over to my Instagram, follow me there, and become a part of our little family and see where these items go. Leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite bargain store to shop at is. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.